Imagine a universe without a beginning. For centuries, we've lived under the belief that the Big Bang was the definitive beginning of everything: time, space, the cosmos. But what if everything we thought we knew was completely wrong? What if the universe, in fact, never had a beginning? Sounds almost impossible, doesn't it? Yet, the most groundbreaking discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope are suggesting something entirely different. What we're learning could redefine everything again. The James Webb Space Telescope, a scientific marvel, has uncovered something so ancient, so vast, that it simply shouldn't exist in a young universe. Behind the Pandora galaxy cluster, Webb has uncovered a structure so immense that it shatters our most cherished cosmological theories. It's old, it's gigantic, and it couldn't possibly fit into the timeline we've always believed in. This discovery casts a deep shadow over the Big Bang theory, forcing us to question, could there never have been a beginning? The Big Bang? Or the end of the beginning? We've always thought of the universe in a linear way. Everything has a start, a middle, and an end. It's hardwired into our brains. But what if that isn't how the universe works? What if there's no beginning? No end? What if the universe is eternal? Infinite. Just imagine what that means. It's both fascinating and terrifying at the same time. But it's starting to look like the universe could be far more than we ever imagined. Infinity is a concept that is incredibly hard to grasp. It's something that humans struggle with because we are confined by space, time, and limitations. Everything we experience as boundaries has a starting point. But what if, in the grand scheme of the universe, there are no boundaries? No measurements of height, length, or width? What if the universe is truly infinite, stretching out in all directions beyond anything we can perceive? The thought is dizzying, isn't it? And yet, with every discovery, this idea is becoming more likely. A universe that shouldn't be but is. Think about this for a moment. At the dawn of time, we should have seen galaxies that were young, developing, still in their infancy. But what we're discovering instead are galaxies that look too old, too mature. How could that be? The James Webb Telescope, designed to peer deeper into the cosmos than ever before, was expected to show us the first generation of stars, the brightest bursts of light from the very beginning of time. But instead, we're seeing galaxies that seem to have been around far longer than we ever expected. Something is wrong. Something is off. And it's all pointing to the fact that our understanding of the Big Bang may be completely wrong. The deep dive into the Pandora cluster. In February 2023, NASA released an image that stunned the world. It was an image that could change everything. What we're looking at is the Pandora cluster, a Bell 2744, a place where galaxies collide and merge, creating a cosmic dance like no other. The image wasn't just beautiful, it was a revolution in the making. Captured through Webb's NIRCam, the image was stitched together from 6 hours of deep observations, revealing over 50,000 light sources. And that's not even the most exciting part. The Pandora cluster itself acts as a gravitational lens, magnifying everything behind it, magnifying the mysteries of the universe itself. It's as though Webb's telescope is a cosmic magnifying glass, peeling back the layers of the universe to reveal its deepest, darkest secrets. What we see behind Pandora. Here's the mind-bending part behind this cosmic giant. Webb has revealed a structure so massive, so ancient, that it doesn't fit into any model we've ever known about the early universe. Some of the galaxies behind the cluster appear to be over 13 billion years old, way too advanced for their supposed timeline. These galaxies are not just early formations, they're far older than we thought. This discovery doesn't just raise eyebrows, it flips the entire script on what we've believed about the cosmos. How could galaxies like these form so early, when the universe was supposed to be a chaotic, starless void? What if the Big Bang never happened? Hold on, because it gets crazier. What if the Big Bang never happened in the way we've been taught? What if the universe is far older than we've ever thought? What if everything we've assumed about the birth of the cosmos is completely off base? It's hard to digest, isn't it? But the evidence is staring us in the face. The uniform distribution of cosmic microwave background radiation across the sky suggests that the universe is homogeneous essentially. the same everywhere, in every direction. Could this be proof of an infinitely expanding universe? The Planck Space Telescope also revealed that the universe has a flat geometry. Some scientists are now suggesting that this could be another indication that our universe is infinite, stretching on without end, forever. And here's the kicker: no one has ever found an edge to the universe. We've mapped over 90 billion light years, but there's no sign of an edge, no boundary, no end. The edge of the universe has always been a scientific theory, nothing more. The infinite universe, a terrifying possibility. Just imagine living in a universe that goes on forever. No boundaries, no beginning, no end. It's exhilarating, isn't it? But at the same time, it's unsettling. Infinity is terrifying because we can't control it, we can't measure it. How can you explain something with no start and no finish? But maybe that's the very point. Maybe the universe isn't meant to be fully understood. Maybe it's so vast, so limitless, that it can never be fully captured by our science. But that's what makes it so incredible. Every discovery, every breakthrough, just opens the door to more questions, more mysteries waiting to be solved. Enter the quantum revolution, the key to the universe. Now, here's where the plot thickens even more. Enter quantum computers, the next frontier in scientific discovery. These aren't just ordinary computers. They're super-powered machines that use the mind-bending principles of quantum mechanics to process information in ways we've never seen before. They don't just use ones and zeros. They use something called qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. They represent all possibilities. Imagine what could happen if these computers crack the code of the universe. They might finally answer questions that have eluded us for centuries. Questions about dark matter, the mysteries of space-time, and the very fabric of reality. Could quantum computers unlock the secrets of the universe in ways we can't even imagine? It gets better. These computers might even help us solve the most elusive question in physics: how do we reconcile quantum mechanics with the theories of relativity? String theory has tried, but it's still incomplete. But quantum computers could provide the breakthrough we've been waiting for. They could connect the dots in a way that our current methods never could. The future is here, and it's exciting. We're standing at the threshold of a new era, an era where we could unlock the deepest mysteries of the cosmos. With quantum computers, artificial intelligence, and telescopes like James Webb, we could soon be able to answer the questions that have haunted humanity for millennia. But here's the catch: we're just getting started. We still know so little about the universe. What if we've only seen the tip of the iceberg? What if there are entire dimensions of knowledge that we're about to uncover? The future of space exploration and discovery is brighter than ever. So, what are we waiting for? The greatest revelations in human history are just around the corner. Stay tuned, because this journey has only just begun. Subscribe now, and join us as we journey into the unknown. The universe has its secrets, and we're about to uncover them.